Welcome to the power of therapy. I welcome each one here who have joined us today for this very special journey. The scars on our brains are a reminder that our past is real, but it is up to us to grind those scars down into a fine powder until they no longer affect the outcome of our life. Today, as me and Shinu walk you through this beautiful journey of a healing experience, a very spiritual journey, of a healing experience of growth, fun, a huge learning. The aim behind today to be here is to welcome our mentor, mine's and Shinu's mentor, Dr. Trupti Jain, one of the leading therapists of our country, a past life regressor. Tomorrow, same time, 9:30, she would be on this podium speaking to each one of you, talking about multiple things in life. She's a famous personality from Raz Pichle Janam Ka. She's got multiple experiences, have gone through many brilliant cases and successful ones. To hold your mentor up onto this podium is a matter of pride for me. Today, what I am or what Shinu is, we are very grateful to our teacher, Dr. Trupti Jain. We hold her in a high esteem. Tomorrow, she would be talking about gunas, the three major gunas in each one of us, and how we can gain through gunas. Be here in a big number. Spread a word to all your friends and anyone you know to gain from her wisdom. She's far excellent in her work, and we can assure you that it will never go wasted. You'll be able to achieve million goodness from her. So with this, I hand you over to the host of the evening today, Shinu. Shinu and I have been in this journey from past almost about a year plus. We both are therapists trained by Dr. Trupti Jain, as I said, and we both have been doing a very active journey on this path. So we sincerely hope that today you gain from this wisdom from us. We are going to be speaking on a very, very organic, soulful, simple words. We will not complicate the journey and try and bring in as much purity as possible. Once we finish through this journey, if you would wish, we'll be able to channel certain replies for you. But we do not know how well we can take how many people, but we would certainly do that by the end of the questionnaire. So over to Shinu for the next segment.
Hello, everyone. Thank you, Mridula. Thank you for this lovely words, the shower of words that you've actually given all of us today about me and Tripti Jain, ma'am. Ma has been, yes, a very, very, she's been the core of our journey. She has actually given us the foundation of what our path in this lifetime has been. We have been very lucky, I would say, and yes, it is a beautiful, beautiful journey that has started. Mm, I would, in simpler ways, I would say that it was never. I was one of the skeptics myself regarding the same therapy, but I would say the moment I went through it and the moment I experienced it, it was enlightening. There is one enlightening moment that a soul needs in your lifetime. That enlightening moment was past life therapy for me. So here, I wanted to talk about the same therapy, the same module that has given so many people an insight. So many patterns have been broken. So many, answers have been open in front of the people themselves. So, why not to share our experiences and certain questions of many of my clients and many of my friends that I wanted to discuss as a layman with Mridula? So we came up with an idea. Let's just talk about it and have a chat regarding what this module is all about and what benefit can this bring to us. So I would be asking questions, and Mridula will be answering them. So, as a layman, as I have been into many meetings and many experiences with many of my clients and many of my friends who were very skeptical about many things about the past life therapy, they had many questions. So, I got together all those questions, and the best person was Mridula. So, we wanted to have a chit chat about it. So we thought, why not to share it with all of you? So let's go ahead and talk about it and see what this therapy can give you as an insight. What insight do you get out of this therapy? And also, I would be asking these questions from Ridula. And even if after the session, if you feel like putting on your questions, please do that as well. And I would be, putting them through Mridula and we can answer them together. All right. So, Mridula, let's start the session. Um, okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So, the first question that generally is about past life therapy. What is past life therapy and how effective is it?
So, past life therapy is a state of hypnotic where we take you to hypnotism, and we recover the memories which you're carrying, the records which you're carrying in your mind. We have a blueprints in our mind. We recover it from your mind, from those memories, and we kind of create a reincarnation. So these cellular memories are in our mind from many lives. So in a very simple word, we take you back, we bring in some good energy from the past, and we kind of give you goodness and make a result oriented um, therapy and a result, or we kind of create a result oriented base for you. It's a complete spiritual therapy, it's a complete spiritual journey wherein you completely participate in us and we give you a beautiful result. um, it's like we resolve multiple issues at one point of time. We have so many issues, so we kind of resolve those issues and bring you to a podium where you can have the results which is so
So,
desired.
why go back? Why go back is the question. Why do I have to go back to the past if I have to? I'm living in present and I need to go forward in life. So, why am I to go back?
There are times when you need to go back and revive certain things. You need to kind of bring in certain answers from that energy, from that time, because you have been blocked at that moment. Your complete consciousness has been blocked. And to bring it from that consciousness, you need to go back, travel to the time, clear it up from that moment, and bring the energy into this life so that you can have a better life. For example, if you have certain amount of pains and aches, you need to actually go back to the past and bring this energy so that you can have a result oriented future. You're tired of being ill. So when you do not know whether the doctors have said that we don't know we've not been able to pinpoint whether what kind of a problem it is, whether it is related to medicine or not. All the reports are coming clear, but at the same time, you're very unwell. So we often feel that this is one of the karmic patterns. So as a matter of fact, you're one such case. So why are you asking me this?
Yes, of
You
course, I
you
am.
are
Yeah, I
so
am one of those cases. But
yes.
yes, I think we all, those people who've gone into this therapy, have first of all experienced themselves, and then we have been ardent believers of them. Then,
Well, you have
yes,
if you have to if you until you put an effort and until you put an effort to do something very worthwhile, you will never get your replies in this time. So you definitely sometime need to do something out of the league and reach out to more substance and bring a beautiful energy. So it's a very good idea to go back and bring in a great time for your present moment.
So as you said that, it's all about, it's obviously the process is about hypnosis, and we take the client to the hypnotic state. Hypnosis, and layman language, if I talk about a person, that person gets scared about, what hypnosis is. They think that there is something, coming in front of their eyes, in which they would be, going into certain space, or they'll be made to do certain things those are not meant for them to do. Is it really true?
Well,
Does that really happen?
at times, yeah. So, well, at times we kind of, I completely agree that we sometimes, unfortunately, we create an aura around us. All the therapists, certain amount of therapists create an aura around us, wherein we put in a person into a form where we create a dark, dingy kind of a room, and we feel the person feels very, very scared that इस कमरे में घुस गए तो पता नहीं क्या होने वाला है और पीछे जाएंगे तो वापस ही नहीं आएंगे. ऐसा नहीं होता है. पीछे जाके कई बार बहुत सारी चीजें अच्छी भी हो जाती हैं, बहुत सारी चीजें आपके मतलब की भी हो जाती हैं. जो जो चीजें आपकी अटक गई हैं जिंदगी में, कॉन्शियसनेस में आपने अटका दी है सब कॉन्शियस लेवल पे, वो निकल जाती हैं. सो हाँ, अनफॉर्चुनेटली आई कंप्लीटली एग्री विद यू कि हम ऐसा ऑरा बना लेते हैं कि पीछे हर our first the reaction of our clients is why should I go back. So I completely agree with you.
So, many people also get scared about this thing. If I go through a past life regression, if I go through it, will I get stuck in that moment, or will I get stuck in that experience? Or is it dangerous? What is it all about? Like, how do you go? How does it happen? What does it happen?
Well, this is something most of the therapists, I think you, me, and
We've all
our
been
friends,
facing,
yeah,
yes.
we all we've been facing this. That the first reaction is that why don't you do anything at this time? Why do you want us to go back? And हमारी ये पीठ दर्द और हमारा ये फोबिया और हमारा ये स्ट्रेस और हमारे ये डिवोर्सेस, all this, how is it related to the past, and why is it that I have these very bad people who cheat on us? Well, all this can only be sorted when you go back and you don't get drawn there. ऐसा नहीं होता कि आप वहीं छूट जाओ. You are very much in this loop. When you go through the therapy, आपको पूरी तरह से आप जाग रहे होते हैं, आपकी कॉन्शियसनेस आपके साथ होती है. इनफैक्ट आप हमारे साथ कॉन्वर्सेशन में होते हैं इसके साथ. So it's a very beautiful journey with a phenomenal results. The results are so empowering and beautiful that at times you actually are aghast कि ये हमारे साथ हो सकता था. And the moment you finish the therapy, you are so happy about the complete experience that you don't you are jumping all over and you want to talk about it. So it is like, yes, initially you get scared कि कहीं पीछे रह के हमें बंद ना कर दें और कहीं हमें छोड़ के वहां पे ना आ जाए. So it's a normal reaction. Yes, you
Yes,
can
I
say.
agree with you, because it's an enlightening experience. It is
Yes.
actually an enlightening experience. I think we all souls want to get enlightened. We look forward for a moment to get enlightened, and I
Yes.
think past life therapy is one big moment that can help people get enlightened. They can actually solve many of their issues. Many of their traumas, many of their patterns can get solved with this therapy. Talking about it, I would also want to ask that, why is that, we need to trust, why is that we need to go to the therapist only for a certain issue? Why not to go to an astrologer, or a religious guru, or a palmist, or any other occultist? Why only a past life therapist? Because they people have faiths in other things as well. Why not to go there? And what is the reason that we have to actually come to a therapist in concern to certain phobias or traumas or release of certain issues? Why not to go to a religious guru? I have no
Okay.
issues with religious gurus, but yeah, I mean, just a question.
So, so a very interesting question, Chino. The point is that there comes a time in our life when we all need to elevate our souls. We all need to move from one realm to another realm. I completely respect religion. I completely respect all these tools. As a matter of fact, you, me, and many on this podium are the therapists. Other than being a past life therapist, we are tarot readers, we are numerologists, we are occultists, we even do channeling, we do multiple tools. But when we want to gain something from our own personal experience, we need to go back. Like for example, अगर आप अगर आप का गला सूख रहा है और आप अगर पानी नहीं पिएंगे और मैं आपकी जगह पानी पी लूंगी तो मेरा ही गला ठीक होगा, आपका गला नहीं ठीक होगा. सो अगर आपके गले की आपको प्यास बुझानी है तो आपको पानी पीना पड़ेगा. अगर आपको खाना खाना है तो आपको खुद खाना पड़ेगा. सो इट इज एज सिंपल एज दैट. एज आई सेड, आई completely respect religion. I completely respect all those things, and plus, who more than me would be believing into all this? But at the same time, when I say past life, when you go back to the past, believe it or not, you get back the beautiful results. These results can actually take you forward and take the pains, aches, traumas, phobias, anxiety issues, depressions, you not being able to get married, money issues, you name it, and they all get resolved because you're carrying this energy from many births. You're carrying it in your conscious and a subconscious level. So these are all layered up and you are collecting it over a period of time. So it is always good to make a clearance. Once you've made the clearance and you've brought a good energy from there, your results are phenomenal.
Yeah, right. So as you just said that, these problems of these issues of, pains, aches, um, can issues of relationships like divorces and compatibility, etc., can they be solved with this therapy?
Absolutely. Most of the therapists here would vouch for it, be it you, me, or anybody who's been observing and listening to us. I personally have almost about 10 success histories wherein the husband has walked out of the marriage or the wife has walked out of the marriage and come back into the marriage for the sake of the children. There are times when we seek affection out of marriage and we move out. One such case is a very unique case which I have, not one, I mean multiple, but this one I'm talking about is a unique case which I would want to mention, that the girl was almost about 3 to 4 years married, and it was a love marriage. It wasn't that the parents went on to marry the child. It was very much a love marriage. Both the people were qualified people. They were technically very, very qualified people. And they studied together in the same college. They were together from childhood. But 3 years later, the marriage, they decided to part ways. The boy went on to started living with this girlfriend. The girl went on pleading, and so when she just lost the complete hope, she came to me, and I told her, I will give you my best shot. So when I took her to the past, I realized it was one of those cases wherein this girl had been in a place where she took the love of her husband, who was presently there in her life, and she had killed both of them because she was the queen. And thus, this birth, the girl came back asking for the same energy because this is the energy which never got completed in that birth. So the husband left her and went on to stay with the other girl for almost 2 years. This girl was staying without the husband for 2 years. So once we did the therapy, sometimes we have to do multiple therapies, but in this case, I just did about 2 therapies. The boy was back. And we do the forgiveness and closures. Today, they are really happily married couple. So yes, when it comes to cases like unique cases or any kind of cases where it comes to seeking love out of your own marriage, this is phenomenal.
That's great. So, as you just said that everything is connected to past lives. Um, One more question that I have is, what we are in this lifetime. Is it any correlation uh, with our past lives? Like, I got interested. I am an artist by profession, and I got interested in this, occult sciences. Anything relating my own current life path. What am I today, and what people are today at this point in time in their present lives? Does does that somewhere is connected to our past?
Certainly. We are connected to our past. For example, your past life, you must have been a therapist and you must have been an occultist. So that is why the energy which you left it in that birth, you're collecting that and now you're using it with a different wisdom. Similarly, in my case, if I have gone through and become a sound healer and a therapist, basically my profession is an artist. So being an artist, I suddenly shift to become a past life therapist and a sound healer is because I have been a monk in my previous 5 births. So we carry this energy from the previous births. We all do that. There are times we say that this is the deja vu kind of a feeling. ये हमारे साथ हो चुका है. ये हमें दिख रहा है. ऐसा हमारे साथ पहले हुआ है. It is all because we genuinely lived these patterns in our previous birth. And
So it's
that is
like,
what.
yeah, so it's like, people even, it's just suddenly a person studying in IIT or studying into stuff like that and suddenly changes its profession. So there is obviously related to our past, correct? So this is
Yes.
our past that is, at this point in time trying to become our present, and that is overpowering our, there is some need, there is some lesson that we need to learn out of our past, and that's what we are going to do in our present, correct?
Absolutely, absolutely,
Okay.
absolutely. I have this very interesting case study which we would like to talk about. I had done a past life for an army officer. He is in the Indian army.
Yeah.
He's serving. He's in the Indian army, but his mother is a British, and his father is he's an Indian but a Muslim. And so when I took him to the past, he saw that he was in one of the Arabic countries. And there, his mother was brutally treated by the people there. And at that minute, a Hindu from this country, from India, came to rescue them. So, this child, he took a birth in this place, and his mother came from Britain. So it is very. He came to me and he said that how is it possible that I'm born to a British mom, my father is an Indian but a Mohammedan, and I am serving the Indian army. So is this not a very very different and a unique case, wherein we talk about religion, we talk about faith. Here, too, we are talking about multiple faiths. So,
Yeah.
what is this? We are carrying this energy from that birth. So, that child who could not completely protect his mother in that birth took birth in India because he had faith in Indian culture. And that Indian man, he actually was his present day's father. So he came to India and he got into the army because he wanted to protect his mother, and so he wanted to protect the other people. So he carried that energy from that birth. Though his father was a civilian, his father is not working, he was not in the army. So all this is all related to past.
So basically we are here to learn lessons, right? We are here to
Absolutely.
learn lessons, we are here to, it's also about oath and vows, right?
It's about oath and vows. That birth he took an oath that मैं हिंदुस्तान में पैदा होऊंगा and अपनी माँ को protect करूंगा. So that is why, see, he took birth, he was in India, his mother being a Britisher. So it's all clubbed together. So he's
Right.
carrying that energy. So that's what we do. Most often we do that.
Right. So, as we are talking about relationship issues, there is another modality which is very, very prevalent and very widely used by many therapists. We've also used it in many of our, therapies. That is called family constellation. How do you think that family constellation? What is the difference? Let's just clear this up for our friends and viewers. What is family constellation and how different it is from past lives?
So, well, today only we were talking with Ma on webinar about family constellation, and we have most of us have been doing the family constellations. Family constellation is a very, very beautiful therapy. It is a therapy wherein when if a family has a curse which they're carrying for many births,
So
like
this is
for
about
example,
ancestral curse, right?
ancestral curse is like it is like you can say there is kind of a disease, a cancer in the house, or maybe there are multiple divorces which are happening and there is between the families are happening. So you know that this kind of a curse the family is carrying from some generation. So we have these constellation wherein we bring in your ancestors and we do the therapy. In this therapy, the only difference is that when we do the constellation, the results are a conscious effort by the complete set. They are not your base results. So the results vary.
Mhm. So you want to say like it's like a it's like a an opera created, right? And
Yes,
the person
yes,
whose issue is basically just an observer. He's not
yes,
actually doing the whole thing up. He's not
yes,
experiencing the whole thing up, but getting to know the reason behind it
yes,
and getting to
yes.
know the real picture of every person. And then, but I think, don't you think that the best way to solve a personal issue is
Is
past life?
through PLR. Yes, absolutely. PLRs are
Correct.
always more beautiful than the family constellations because PLR are result oriented.
Yeah. So there are. Can you just elaborate more on the benefits of past lives than family constellations, please, to everyone?
Okay, so PLRs basically at time allow me to explain it to people those who are here on the podium. PLR, we always do PLRs when we are suffering the phobias. There are times we feel that we have this phobia of getting inside the lift. We have phobia of darkness. We have phobia of climbing the stairs. We do not want to climb the. We do not want to travel by air. Then there are cancer patients. Then there are diseases which cannot be eradicated only with the thing. Then there are multiple issues like marriage not taking places and multiple divorces in the house. So we have all this and more, even more deeper when we sort it out on PLRs. We take you to pass, we clear you up from there and bring the energy. But when we do the family constellation, we go one notch up. That is not that the case. We go one notch up. We bring your ancestors. आपके 7 पुश्तों को हम सामने ले आते हैं एंड उन 7 पुश्तों के साथ हम बातें करते हैं उनसे एडवाइस लेते हैं नाउ दैट व्हाट डू यू वांट अस टू डू so we try and clear you at the level of all the healers so we bring in that energy and we clear you up so the results definitely vary when you're doing it yourself the results are far more powerful but when you're doing it with the family constellation it takes a little deviation from the topic but yes the results are there.
Hmm. So, as you just said, that family constellations and past lives, you cleared a very good fact about it. Um, do you think that therapists matter?
Yes certainly. ऐसा है
And
कि
on and on what basis do we choose a therapist? There are many people who are trained in many other occult sciences. So how do you actually get to know your own therapist, and how do you get to choose your therapist?
शीनू मैं छोटी थी तब से माँ बोलती थी कि टेलर अपना होना चाहिए और डॉक्टर अपना होना चाहिए ठीक है हर एक इंसान का अपना टेलर होना चाहिए अपना डॉक्टर होना चाहिए अपना थेरेपिस्ट होना चाहिए नाउ देयर इज अ नेक्स्ट नॉच टू इट कि अपना थेरेपिस्ट होना चाहिए थेरेपिस्ट certainly matters because जब आप थेरेपी कर रहे हैं थेरेपी इज नॉट अबाउट दोस 3 hours थेरेपी इज नॉट अबाउट मनी थेरेपी इज अबाउट आप कितनी मोहब्बत से अपने क्लाइंट को पीछे ले जाके हील कर रहे हैं आप कितने अच्छे तरीके से उसके साथ इन्वॉल्व हैं उस पूरी जर्नी में एंड उसके बाद भी आप अपने क्लाइंट के साथ क्लोजर स्किन के साथ उसको कितनी बार उसके साथ कनेक्ट होके उसको स्टिल आप उसकी हेल्प कर रहे हैं बिकॉज अ थेरेपिस्ट रियली नीड टू वॉक विद द क्लाइंट इवन पोस्ट द थेरेपी फॉर ऑलमोस्ट 15 to 20 days
I
and
agree.
maybe more for 6 months also if the client feels that way if the client is nervous so you need a therapist is very very important because अच्छा therapist आपको अच्छे closes देगा अच्छा थेरेपिस्ट आपको अच्छे रिजल्ट्स देगा एंड अच्छा थेरेपिस्ट आपको पूरी तरह से वॉकआउट करेगा बिकॉज ये तो उसका कार्मिक पैटर्न है
Correct. There's
ये
a
तो
very interesting question from Navneet Kaur. She is asking, constant fear of losing loved ones is a never ending stress. How to deal with that? Is it concerning to any past lives also? Could it be? How do you deal with it?
so yes thank you for asking this question like the point is in one of your births you would have definitely been left alone by somebody now what you went in that birth उस जन्म का जो आपका trauma रहा होगा वो क्या होगा you're carrying that energy in this birth so what happens is every time you become closer to somebody your first reaction is, will this person continue to remain in this birth with me, or will he leave and go away? So obviously that is there in your head. So either you go through a therapy from any therapist who's good, who can actually give you a closure of that birth. Either you go through a therapy, or else you work on your inner strengths. Whenever this negative thought comes in your mind, say that I travel to the time and clear myself from that inner. If you can do it on your own, brilliant. But if you can't do it, then you definitely need a therapist to clear this up, because this is not a very happy energy. You can't live with this kind of a fear all your life.
Yeah, and Navneet, I would also like to add that you have to measure your this kind of fear. Is it too deep rooted, or is it on a superficial level? Some fears are at a very superficial level, but some fears are so deep rooted. Even after your control, even after your awareness on a certain level, your full control on your mind, still they keep coming, still they reoccurring. That completely shows that you are going through a certain trauma there, that trauma is stuck somewhere in your past. I would like to give an example of myself, because trauma is something that is very, very deep rooted. I was born, lactose intolerant. I could not digest milk. I was always a child who never liked milk, and even after the birth of my children, during my pregnancy and everything, I could not have milk at all. During my even during feeding my children, the milk was always I always used to have a relationship against milk. This was a big trigger for me to go to my therapist. And then ahead, when I went there, so it was a huge trauma that was there. When I went back and realized that yes, this is something, I was poisoned by with the help of milk. People had I had seen three past lives in one session. And during this time, I went through this trauma. There was a good closure that happened. And then ahead, this thing got released. I was given a time of nearly around 40 to 45 days. However, in within 20 to 21 days, I started having milk. And from that day onwards, there's not even one issue that I have with milk. So traumas are very deep rooted. You have to understand how is it going on in your life. Is it really bothering you, and is it really affecting your real life? So then it is deep rooted.
So, Sheenu, we have one question from Garima Talwar. Normally, how many past lives can be experienced? Garima, when you're taking the session, you really do not know whether you're going to be slipping into how many past lives. It can be one life, it can be two lives. If you're trying to resolve an issue with your spouse or anybody, be it your lover, be it your in laws, be it your children, sometime, so it can only be one life. It all depends on how you actually move into that zone. So once we take you to past, आप कितनी लाइफ्स में स्लिप करते हैं ये आपके ऊपर डिपेंड करता है. We sometime like people jump many lives. It is often that you experience about 2 to 3. Sometimes people continue to be in one life also. So it all depends on you.
There is a very interesting question. Um, as we are born humans, is it possible that we could be born as animals or plants, any other species?
Well, as per Ma, Dr. Trupti Jain, we generally, once you're born as a human, you don't go on becoming a species, be it animals or be it lizards or be it um, uh, plants. But I have this very interesting case history. You must know. एक बार क्लाइंट आई और उसने बोला उसको फोबिया है, शी गॉट सम डिप्रेशन, शी वाज an acute depression case. एंड शी सेज कि लोग मेरे सामने खड़े होते हैं, बात करते हैं और मेरे को नजरअंदाज करके चले जाते हैं. So I said, ठीक है. So I did certain therapies. Initially, 2-3 therapies की, because she had this fear of closing the eyes. She would not close the eyes. So for past life, we need to close the eyes. So by the time 2-3 therapies के बाद उसको set किया, उसकी आंखें वांखें बंद करने की उसको practice दिलाई. So then I started taking her back and I told her, अच्छा बताइए कहाँ है? So she says, um, मुझे नहीं पता मैं कहाँ हूँ. तो आई सेड अच्छा ठीक है, क्या हो रहा है, आजू बाजू क्या हो रहा है. तो शी सेज आजू बाजू बहुत बटरफ्लाईज दिख रहे हैं. सो बड़े मल्टी कलर्ड बटरफ्लाईज दिख रहे हैं. नाउ दैट इज बटरफ्लाई कंसिडर्ड अ वेरी वेरी ऑस्पिशियस थिंग. सो आई वाज वेरी हैप्पी कि अच्छा ये बटरफ्लाई है. तो मैंने बोला अच्छा आप बटरफ्लाई हैं. तो शी सेड नहीं मैं बटरफ्लाई नहीं हूँ. सो आई सेड अच्छा तो आप क्या है, हाथ बढ़ा के देखिए क्या है. तो शी सेज नहीं मैं बटरफ्लाई नहीं हूँ, बट बटरफ्लाई मेरे ऊपर जरूर है. सो नाउ आई केप्ट वंडरिंग मेरे ऊपर है बटरफ्लाई. आई सेड अच्छा ठीक है, आप मुझे नीचे देख के बताइए आप और क्या हैं, क्या क्या हो सकते हैं. तो शी हैड नथिंग टू से. शी सेड मेरे सामने सड़क है, मेरे साइड में पानी है, बट मेरे को मेरे सामने से लोग निकलते चले जा रहे हैं और कोई भी नहीं रुक रहा है, बस सिर्फ बटरफ्लाईज एंड बटरफ्लाईज ही रुक रहे हैं. सो आफ्टर अ लॉट ऑफ जद्दोजहद आई केम टू नो कि वो पेड़ थी, वो
Oh,
ट्री थी.
wow. Yeah.
So, so for I said, oh my God, you're a tree. So she says, हाँ मैं tree हूँ. And that was the reason that in this birth also she felt lonely and she could only see roads and she was very attached to nature and she was very attached to butterflies. So this happens that we can be anything in our previous birth, but once we've taken a human life, we don't go on becoming animal species or we don't become stones. As a matter of fact, there are times when we even experience people telling us हम पत्थर हैं, हम
Yes,
बस यहीं अटके हुए हैं.
I agree, because in one of my case studies, I was, the client was a boat. So in many, after like around an hour or so, then we realized that yes, he's on the water. We could not, because that client could not even figure out his legs or the body. There's an interesting question here, Mridula. How many
Yeah.
lives can we get back to? You just answered that. And
Yeah.
yes, if what we see is traumatic, by any chance, does it hamper our present life?
In fact, no. If you see it is traumatic, in this birth, we create such a beautiful journey as therapists. हम वो सारा आपका खत्म कर देते हैं. And we create an energy and a room. It is something like आपकी कबर्ड में आपने इतने कपड़े रखे हुए हैं जो आपके ओवरसाइज हुए हुए हैं. आपने तो अपनी मम्मी के भी रखे हुए हैं. Because you're so attached to them. आपने हो सकता है किसी बुआ आंट के भी रखे हो, बिकॉज ये आप वोज एंड ओट्स ले लेते हैं कि ये मेरी आंटी की थी, इसकी मेमोरी है, हमने अपने बॉक्स में रखी हुई है. सिमिलरली आवर बॉडी आल्सो कलेक्ट्स अ लॉट ऑफ मेमोरीज which are like cellular memories which are carrying forever. So we are carrying these memories forever and we keep putting it into our system. तो अब वो इतनी भारी हो जाती हैं कि आपको समझ ही नहीं आता कि इनको निकालें कैसे. अब आप अपनी मम्मी की भी मेमोरी को हैंडल कर रहे हो, अपनी आंट की भी कर रहे हो, अपनी फ्रेंड की भी कर रहे हो, अपनी भी कर रहे हो, अपनी मदर लॉ की भी कर रहे हो. इतनी मेमोरी एक बॉडी में कैसे करेक्ट कर रहे हो. ऑब्वियसली करप्शन तो आएगा ही ना. आपकी हार्ड ड्राइव तो खराब होएगी. सो व्हाट वी डू इज वी ट्राई एंड क्लियर द कंप्लीट हार्ड ड्राइव. We take off the complete virus and we clear you up completely and we make your computer oblique laptop as new as a branded one
Yeah,
so
so
that you
it's
can
basically,
perform.
yeah, so
Yes.
it's basically in a layman language, we cut the cords, we do in
Yes.
between life
Yes.
between lives. It's a very beautiful session that happens after the session is completed with the client. The soul travels between a movement that is called life between lives, and that is the time when the cords are cut. That is the time when there is a major release that happens. There's an interesting question here by
Yeah.
Nishu Sharma. How does anyone know if there is ancestral curse?
Certainly, this is one of the most beautiful questions. Thank you so much for putting up, Nishu. Yes, of course, when you have multiple divorces in the house, when you have a kind of a particular disease like cancers, which you're carrying, then there are certain losses of money plus the birthmarks. Birthmarks are a huge sign of the karmic debit and the karmic pass. So these are the signs which we actually bring it to the level where we see, yes, these can be the reasons that you are not. So there are most often people say, I work so much, I work really hard, but I do not get the results. So it is definitely from the past life. My mother was a divorcee. I am a divorcee. My grandmom had a turmoil wedding, or my grandfather had two weddings. Definitely a case of past history. So
Yeah, so
all
there's a
this and more.
pattern related to it, right?
There's a pattern
So,
related, definitely.
so
Definitely.
we basically, what Nidula is trying to tell everyone is that the client comes and we take the case history of the client. And after studying the case history, we need to know that whether there is a pattern relating to it or not. So
Yeah.
relating the same thing, if a client does not has a pattern and just wants to get in for a past life just for curiosity, does a therapist do it or not?
Well, what is so wrong in not doing it? Because we are today's generation next, and to experience something other than just the astrologers and just the random thing, I think it is the new age experience. Every minute we have new mobile phones coming up, every minute we have new gadgets coming up, and a new lifestyle. So we all want to taste something new. So there's no harm in it having an experiential past life, because you only gain through that consciousness. If you go back and you realize that this is what, why am I experiencing, why
Yeah, it's
have
their
I
own
been
personal
told?
experience, isn't
Yes,
it?
exactly, that you've been told, you chose that you will come to the therapist, and through this vision and this wisdom you will come to know that why have are you choosing it to take it as an experience. There is nothing wrong in it, but you're just taking it as an experience. So it's okay, it's just perfectly fine, it's normal.
There's a question here. I'm very scared of deep water. Is it related? By
Well,
Preeti
Nick,
Varma.
okay. So, well, people are scared of heights. People are scared of deep waters. I'm one such
Oh, yeah,
case.
ma'am. Even Tripti ma'am had an issue, right? Our guru.
Yeah,
She also
yeah,
had an issue. Yeah. So vertigo. She
yes,
also got it treated. Yes, her issue got treated with this.
yes.
Yes.
So I'm also one such case wherein I was very, very scared of climbing stairs. I would not. I would hold someone's hand and I would say, please climb and take me up. It was very embarrassing till about 2 to 3 years back. And similarly, I was very, very scared of even climbing up the electronic stairs, or even going the heights. You put me on the heights and I would say I would not look down. So all this is because in one of my births, I fell off the stairs. I came rolling down and I was badly hurt and I died of that accident. So it had to be taken out of my system. So today, I do not hold anyone's hand. I simply climb the stairs and I go on my own. And I have no phobias. I have no phobias of any kind of stairs altogether. Earlier, I would feel that there is something going to come from the top and somebody is going to push me down and I'm going to be rolling down. So it happens. You're carrying this energy from past. The moment we take you out of that system, आप बिल्कुल ठीक हो जाते हैं. You become, your life becomes normal. As a matter of fact, I had an acute backache. I would like literally become double and would not be able to walk. I was told not to wear heels. So today I wear heels and I'm perfectly all right.
So there's a question here. Will past life therapy helps a person to overcome and quit his addiction and bad behavior? It's a question by Seema Pankaj Kansil.
Well, Seema, certainly. Thank you for asking this question. Yes, you can take away. The past life is meant to take away all the addictions, be it yours, your children, your husband, anybody. The addictions can actually, in fact, immediately go away. Immediately, you become averse to all those things and you stop having smokes, drinks, and everything. And this is experienced by multiple people. I have many stories related to it.
Yeah, same
You,
here.
the moment you go through it, you finish it off all the addictions, be it women, be it cigarettes, be it men, be it any kind of addiction, it just goes away.
Okay, so there is a question here. Will it help in interpersonal family relationships? Vinita Sridharni.
Well, Vinita,
Vinita.
I know your case very well. Certainly, interpersonal family relationship, you're carrying this. You have done this to somebody in your life. And that life, you actually took a kind of a vow or a oath that either you would be paying back in this birth this way, because we have soul contracts. We do soul contracts. And your own husbands, your own children, your own mother-in-laws, your friends. Sometimes so many close relatives come back asking for more because you've done this soul contract, because you've done the harm in that birth. You've made a contract in that birth. So this birth, you've been given a chance to complete it. So it is your journey. You want to complete it, finish it now, or you want to still carry on and complete it in the next birth. That's entirely up to you. But yes, it definitely makes a difference. Once you do it and finish it off, it goes away from your system. It may take
This,
about 3 months or 4 months, but it does go away.
so there's a question here. Is Reiki helpful in any kind of problem?
Well, Reiki is a completely different platform for us. We are therapists of past life here. Reiki is a very beautiful platform. Those who are a Reiki healer will be able to tell you better. I do not work on Reiki energies. Maybe Shinu works on Reiki energies or Sunana works on Reiki energies. So next time I will ask Sunana to speak on Reiki energy. But yes, of course, Reiki does help, but it does not help you remove the past life pains and aches. It
Yeah.
does
So
help you remove
yeah. So
this life pains and aches.
yeah.
Yes.
So I would like to add, that yes, Priyanka, Reiki is an energy. It's a form of an energy healing. It is not basically based on quantum physics. What we are talking about here is about quantum physics. We are talking about energy. We are talking about how does energy work, and how can, because we leave our fragments of energies, and this is what we are talking about, where and how have we left our fragments of energies here as energy healers or Reiki therapists. These people are, basically, these therapists and these healers heal you on a superficial level. They cannot go down deep down to a certain root cause of it. Past life is
Pardon me,
basically root
Shinu.
cause.
Pardon
Yeah.
me, Shinu. You may have to mince your own words when you say superficial level. Dear people, so Shinu is getting carried away with this statement. Please don't. Shinu, remember, you are a therapist. They are a therapist. Pardon Shinu for using this word.
So, yeah. So I wanted to say is,
we're
yeah,
not compared. We're not compared at all. Reiki
superficial
for
level is
Reiki.
not, yeah, superficial level, what I meant was it's not that deep rooted, it cannot be pulled up from the roots. What we are doing at this point in time, I'm also a Reiki, I also work on energy level. So I would like to explain this thing in a much more deeper way, is that we don't take a Reiki healer or an energy healer will not take you to your past life, though you might experience a past life during that session. That is your experience, and that is your learning, or that is your enlightenment during that point in time. So
So
it
well, in sorry to intervene. There's another very good thing about Reiki and all this is like we often come across dreams. People say we have this recurring dream. Why am I connecting it to Reiki? Is because somebody came and said that we have been going to the Reiki healer to get the dream sorted, and they could do it at a great level. But when we did the analysis and we brought to the person into the theta stage, and we showed that this is the reason the dream stopped. So there are certain dreams wherein you're riding a horse. There are certain dreams that you're going to jump from the valley. There are certain dreams that you've been locked in the room. All these dreams are connected to your past. So when we talk about deeper level of pain, agony, and anxiety, it is past life. And when we talk about a level where we have to be cleansed and we have to be healed for a regular basis, we go on to do the Reiki.
there's a
Okay.
very interesting question. Is out of body experience and past life experience similar? It's by
No.
Suvira Sharon.
Oh, okay. So, Suvira, to begin with, when we do meditation, we go into a stage of yoga nidra. In that yoga nidra, and out of body experience, we can only take it if we are deeper into the stage of alpha and theta. So once we come that, we rise, the body rises, and we have this experience of out of body. But in past life, we take you and we make you remain in your body because we need replies, we need answers from you. If we make you travel out of the body and make you go into the universe, you will only be going on to the Brahman. You will not reply and we'll never be able to heal you. बस फिर तो हम बैठे रहेंगे सुवीरा, 2.5-3 घंटे तक वेट करेंगे कि सुवीरा नीचे आएंगे तो हमें जवाब देंगे कि पिछले जन्म में क्या हुआ. So well,
So yeah, there's a question relating the same is, ma'am, is astral travel possible?
yes, certainly, certainly. We
Yeah.
have healers. We have multiple healers, and as a matter of fact, as a peer group, we all do it together. And we have Bina who does this. She loves it. She actually loves to go astral travel. The other day we were doing a family constellation, and Poonam was taking up the constellation, and it so happened that for good about 20 minutes I was off the constellation, though I was part of the constellation. And when I woke up, Bina said, "Where were you? You did not even speak a word in the complete constellation." So I said, I had traveled out of my body. So I don't know where I was. I was somewhere in mountains and all that, and suddenly I came back. So this is what happens. You can have an out of body experience, which is very, very good.
There's a question you just answered. Repetitive dreams and places goes. It means something about past lives. You just answered that. Yes,
Yeah,
it
yeah,
does. Yeah,
yeah,
it
it
does.
does. Yeah.
Yeah.
Any
So,
unique question? Anybody has any unique question which you feel that we need to answer? You please scroll down and ask us. Otherwise, we move forward.
I hope I've been able to take all the questions. If
Okay,
not,
so we
please.
have, so I have Amita here, and Amita has been connected with me for almost about an year plus, and Amita has this excellent phobia of having OCD. She loves cleaning bathrooms.
Oh yeah, there's a question. Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah, so my phobia is of a dirty washroom. Amita cannot use dirty washrooms, and a very, very interesting case. And she keeps saying, Ma, I don't know. What do I do? I hate to travel because I really don't know. I can't use anyone's washroom. So certainly, Amita, I have been telling you from past 1 year that you have this problem of OCD, and OCDs are connected from our past life. We have gone through an experience in the past. Either we have gone through a very dirty life wherein we have actually kind of developed an averse this thing. For example, me, I do not eat non-veg food because now, earlier, I mean, about 8, 10 years back, I was a non-vegetarian because I experienced one of my life where I was a butcher. I saw so much of butchery and so much of birds killing. I said, no, I don't want to do this anymore. So it is now I am super hygienic human because I don't want to carry that energy, and I'm just cleaning, cleaning, cleaning all the time. So either it is that negative portion, or you may be a prince or a queen or I mean, whatever. You may be from one of the Rajgharanas wherein you have a plush bathrooms and all that. So today in this life, you're not accepting this life. It can be both. So we
I
don't
have a very
know.
interesting question here. While going through the past life therapy, how can you make out that this is from past life and not made up story by one's mind?
Oh yes, this always happens when we
Gauri,
take
is a
when
very
we.
interesting question, Gauri.
Yes, we always happen the moment we finish the journey. The moment we finish the journey, the first thing client gets up and says, "ये मेरे साथ नहीं हो सकता." Like हम एज ए थेरेपिस्ट हमें बड़ा मजा आता है, हम अपने हस्बैंड्स को ही रोक करते हैं. हम बहुत जिद करते हैं कि you got to do this, you got to do this. So my husband experienced certain lives and he got up and he says, this is not possible, I wasn't like this. But then you actually know when you sit down to work on that energy कि ये मैंने तो कभी नहीं देखा था. I
Yeah.
haven't seen this. I haven't gone to France. How am I seeing France in 1894? And how come I was one of the village owners or something like that? So we always have these questions, and the best part is why the therapy is going on. We have these doctors, we have some fun doctors. गलती से आपके हाथ में आर्मी ऑफिसर्स एंड डॉक्टर्स चढ़ जाएं तो बस हमारे लिए तो बहुत बड़ा चैलेंज है, because they would not accept it. So
Yeah.
they will keep saying that ये हो नहीं सकता, ये हो नहीं सकता. So then we as a therapist remind them, so you're not supposed to do this, you're supposed to go and just tell us what is happening. Please do not have any validations, because ये
So
होता
they,
है.
yeah, yeah, that's what happens to them. Probably they resist a lot and they start
Yeah,
thinking about it. Basically, the point is that we have to work with the flow.
it
Okay.
is it is a basic resistance. मैं आपके हाथ में हीरा दे दूं और आपको कहूं ये हीरा है, आप 10 बार कहेंगे नहीं 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 ये हीरा नहीं है, नहीं
Yeah,
नहीं ये
right,
हीरा नहीं हो
right.
सकता, ये पक्का आर्टिफिशियल स्टोन है मैम, ये आर्टिफिशियल स्टोन है. नो, बट द फैक्ट इज दैट लोग क्वीन विक्टोरिया बन जाते हैं, लोग यू नेम इट, एंड देयर आर टाइम व्हेन यू आर वन ऑफ द फेमस सेलिब्रिटीज. आई हैव क्लियोपेट्रास. So then that is the time when they come back, they say, no, we can't be a Cleopatra. No, wait. The first thing they will pick up the phone and they will search and say, yes, this is a true story. That how do I know the story?
Yeah, so that's very interesting. And if you look in some validations, we can also validate many facts, because there was one case that happened with one of my clients. This that woman was basically, we were going through a bridge technique. She had adopted a child and wanted to know what her relationship is with her in this life. So and why couldn't she be a mother? So obviously there was some oath and vow and everything that happened in her past life, and she could actually tell us the the shapes of the buildings, the the years, and we went back and googled They were exactly the same shapes of the buildings at that point in time. It was beautiful, and you can actually validate many facts if you
You
have the
can.
correct date and correct,
Yes,
uh,
you can.
so there's an interesting question here. Um, can we learn past life therapy? What is the procedure? Please let us know.
Certainly, you can learn past life therapy, and we very proudly will introduce you to our guru, Dr. Tripti Jain. She is the one who teaches it, and we would share the contact details and everything. She's the one who takes two shivers. It's like two camps. She takes the complete year. Unfortunately, this year she was to take now, but she could not do it. She has it always on Rishikesh, and one is in June, July, right,
Masuri.
Shinu?
One is
Masuri.
in Rishikesh and the other is in Masuri. So there
Yeah.
are
So
two that happens in level 2. So first level, what you do is you go through your own past lives. So when your enlightenment goes, and then the second level, you really want to go ahead or not, then it's your choice, and then you can go ahead and do that level as well. And then
and
there is master.
then
Yes.
there is a master level. So we have every level. So there is every level you've been taught how to deal with different kind of situation. Like I am the master level, and Chino still to come to my level, because this the time, as I said, Ma could not do
No.
it. So Chino will
Yeah.
be now waiting it for December to happen, so that she can be a master's.
So they say, what about, there's a question by Urveen Kaur, what about phobias of height like mountain and river flowing in valley? There could be
Sorry,
something. What
come
about
again.
phobias of height like mountain and river flowing in the valleys?
Well, you must have had a near death experience, or you must have been made to die, or somebody must have murdered you and thrown you from that area. So
Yeah, so
that is
it's
why you have this experience.
a
This is one
trauma.
of the experiences. Yeah. Or you
How
must
can
have been
we,
left there. Yeah.
yeah, so there's a question here from Baljinder ji. How can we relate past and present life?
Certainly you can, Baljinder ji. If you have, you will be very surprised that when you go down to the past, you will see that you were doing up certain things which are very, very unique, and you're still doing those in this life. So those skills you're carrying in this life. For example, if you were a teacher in that life and you were a brilliant teacher, you would still be a very good teacher in this life, because it has been auto-tuned into your system. So this you are carrying it in this life and this energy. And this is how it comes to know. होता है ना, कई बार आप कहते हो कि मैंने तो ये नहीं सीखा पर मुझे आता है. आपको आता कहाँ से? आप कहाँ से एक्सेस कर रहे हो ये नॉलेज? दिस इज ऑल योर नॉलेज विच यू आर कलेक्टेड इन द पास्ट, एंड दिस बर्थ यू आर स्पीकिंग. या कई बार आप ये बोलते हो, मुझे तो नहीं पता था इसका रिप्लाई, तो मैंने कैसे दे दिया? इट इज बिकॉज यू आर ब्लेस्ड दैट बर्थ यू हैव डन अ स्टडी, एंड दिस बर्थ you are being given a permission by the universe to speak about it.
Correct. There's a question by Gauri. Does the past life regression therapy affect in any way positively or negatively on the process of conception or pregnancy?
Most often it is positive. It is not negative. When
It can
people
never be
cannot have,
negative.
it
Yeah.
can never, past lives can never be negative. Let me tell you, any therapy, why only past life? Like I just refrained Shinu from talking about Reiki, and be it Reiki, Lama Fera, any therapy, no therapy, even your astrology, even your numerology, or any tool which you're using in the therapy, no therapy is negative. All therapies are positive. So when we say there are cases where children are not taking birth, it is because the one of the family member has been cursed. So we take it in the family constellation. The curse, either we take it away through the family constellation, or we take it in by alone by you. We take you back, we remove the curse, and we ensure that you have a baby in this birth. So
Right.
generally you have a baby. Generally you
Right.
have a baby.
Right. So conception could be one of the reasons that if the person is, if the women is not able to conceive out of all the reports
Yeah.
positive, there could be something deep rooted or some trauma or some oath and vow relating the same.
Yes.
There's another question from Seema Baba. I have always heard that we should live in present, but you are suggesting to go to past. How can we bring prosperity from the past life to our current life?
Seema, did we say that you live in past? We said, please make your present beautiful consciously. Go back to the past, bring phenomenal energy from that, whatever you've been blocking yourself, be it money, be it relationship, be it your health, be it prosperity, anyways. We are telling you that you go back to the time wherein you create an energy, a positive energy in your life, and bring it to this moment. We are not telling you to stay in past. We are telling you to eradicate, cut it, remove it from your system, and bring the positivity into this life. So that today, if you're depressed, you're no longer depressed. You have your own voice, you have your own visions, and you can talk with your high head. So this is all about past life. We take you back, we bring the energy, we bring you to positivity.
Yeah, so we basically enlighten you. Not
We
we
enlighten you.
are, yeah,
Yeah.
it's an enlightening moment for you
Yeah,
yourself.
yeah,
You
yeah.
enlighten yourself, you are through that journey. We are just
Absolutely.
facilitating that journey.
Yes.
It's yes. So ma'am, I okay, there's a question here. Ma'am, I often see temples, deities in my dreams, very old temples. What could be the significance?
Well, I've
Very
already replied to
significant.
similar
Good.
similar kind of questions. That if you see
Traditional.
valleys and lakes, similarly, if you see temples and lakes, you must have been a yogini, or you must have had a birth of a pandit or something. So if you go through these temples and all that, it is definitely related to that energy. आपने उस जन्म में कोई ना कोई काम अधूरे छोड़े हैं जो आपको कहा जा रहा है इस जन्म में पूरा करने के लिए. So your ancestrals are asking you to knock out, reach out to that moment and bring it to this time. So
There's a
obviously
question
it's
here.
past life. Yeah.
Can we do past life therapy online? Nowadays,
Yes.
there's a lockdown.
Yeah.
Today,
So
yeah, ma'am
yes,
actually
certainly.
cleared our views today. Yes.
Today the session we were only discussing this. Certainly, those people who are sitting in US, we do it every off and on. As a matter of fact, all of us, including,
Yeah,
as I said, we have multiple therapists here on this podium also. So we all are there who are doing these therapies online the way we are talking to you right now. We have it on Zoom, we have it on Messenger or whatever. We just need to look at you. That's all. And rest is done. Rest is taken care for. So it can very easily be done. And in fact, you should get it done. You should get it done
correct,
because it's a marvelous experience and to bring in a lot of positivity in your life.
correct. So I
Are we
think
done?
we've answered a lot of questions.
So can we take a
Um,
leave or do you want to do something special for them?
let's just do a short meditation with everyone, and then we can answer their questions with through channeling. Let's
Okay.
just
So
they can answer
people,
some questions.
yeah. So people, Shino will walk you through this little journey of attuning you to your ancestors, and post that we would request you to pick whatever the ancestor gives you the number between 1 to 7, and whatever the ancestor is asking us to tell you, we'll be able to tell you, me and Shino together. So, but this we only be going to do it for another 10 minutes, and post that we'll conclude the session. And before I do that, I remind you, tomorrow 9:30 same time, Dr. Trupti, us together on the same platform, same way, get enlightened. Don't forget to be here receiving it from her. Well, now hand you over to Sheenu for a little meditation. Post that between 1 to 7, choose one number, call for your ancestors' blessing, and allow us to channel the reply for you. Over to you,
All
Sheenu.
right, everyone. Let's just close our eyes for some moments. And before you close your eyes, rub your palms a bit like this. And as you feel the warmth of your palms, close your eyes and feel the warmth of your palms. You would feel a tingling sensation on your palms. Put them upright. Put them upright, facing upwards on your thighs, or if you're lying down, you can also keep them facing upwards. Keep your eyes closed and focus on your third eye chakra. Your third eye chakra is situated between the eyebrows. The point is this: bring your focus on your third eye chakra, and whatever number from 1 to 7 comes in your mind first, please write that number and we will give you a channeled message from your ancestors right now. After you get your number, you can open your eyes and write down that number from 1 to 7. Thank you. Priyanka Sethi, number 7. Mridula.
Okay. So the message which is coming to me is from your father's side, your grandfather's side. It is for the expansion. Open up fully, awaken your energies. Why are you stuck with so many questions in your head? There is some kind of a thing which took place almost about when 30, 40 years back, which has left a very unwanting energy. Try and release it. Next.
Barinder ji, number 7.
So, Barinderji, you're very congratulations. There are certain effortless connections you have, which are very beautiful. Again, from your father's side, not from your mother's side. So, if you call upon your ancestors, those who are been waiting to connect with you, almost about longer than 4 or 5 generations back, if you can call one of your great grandfathers, he will bless you with whatever you desire. Are you struggling with some kind of a questionnaire or an answer? So I say they're telling you that it can only be possible if you take his blessings, 7 generations backwards, the blessings from your ancestor, and then the celebration can come to you. Yes.
Akash ji is number 6. Akash Kamboj.
Akash, your blessings comes through your mother's side of blessings. It is almost about 2 generations back. If you go to your nani, whatever you've been wanting, it'll come. There is a lot of integrity and a lot of things which are being asked for you to work on. A kind of a different energy, honest confession which you're doing to yourself ऑफ लेट क्या बहुत ज्यादा ऑनेस्ट कन्फेशन कर रहे हो, हाँ मुझे ये करना है, मुझे ये नहीं करना चाहिए था, ये करना है, तो नानी बोल रही है इतने ऑनेस्ट कन्फेशन करने की जरूरत नहीं है. देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ पॉजिटिविटी हैपनिंग. I she is telling me to tell you that there is a shift happening in your profession.
There's Neetal Raizada, number 4.
Nathal, your problems are from your mother's side, and it is almost going back 4 generations. 4 generations backwards when you go back towards your mother's side. So this is what the thing is happening. I hope I'm being able to audible. Uh, Please take a healing embrace of your 4 generation back. आपकी कोई नानी है who went through a lot of problem. Extend an embrace और वहां से कॉर्ड कटिंग कीजिए और अपनी नानी की ब्लेसिंग को अपने पास लेके आइए. तब आपके बच्चों को ब्लेसिंग्स मिलेंगी.
Amrita Minhas, 3.
Amita,
Amita.
Amita, you carrying an energy from your father's side, your 3 generation backward great grandfather did some kind of a moderation in the house. कुछ ऐसा किया उन्होंने अपने घर में, which was not very healthy. Due to that time, he did some kind of a movement, कुछ ऐसा हुआ which has actually brought a lot of unhappiness, due to which the family harmony is at stake. तब से लेकर अब तक there are a lot of family disputes which are happening at a very undercurrent. थोड़ा सा पीछे जाइए, अपने 3rd generation के ग्रैंडफादर से कंटैक्ट कीजिए, उनके लिए कुछ पितृदोष का कीजिए. थिंग्स विल बिकम बेटर इन योर लाइफ.
Yeah, Amita, you can also do forgiveness for your
Yeah,
ancestors.
yeah, because he's been
Forgiveness
asking and
is
he's
needed.
done. Yeah, he's done some घर का कुछ दोष है, उन्होंने कुछ कर दिया unawillingly, and he's kind of abused a servant or something, which is giving a problem.
Yeah.
Okay,
So
next,
do forgiveness, please.
next.
Shelja, 5. Shelja Singh, 5.
Shalja Singh, please go back 3 generation back from your father's side. That is the time where a lot of positivity happened, a lot of goodness happened. Post that, Sara could stop ho gaya because people did not respect whatever that grandfather wanted to give. So if you can go back and embrace the possibility that grandfather gave you and bring the energy of that grandfather, then I can tell you 3 months from now, a good news coming your way. That is what is he trying to tell you.
Okay. Jyotima, 3.
Jyotima 3. She's asking for 3.
Yeah.
Jyotima, the energy which is coming to me is your third grandfather from the backwards now. Please see that any health issues which are coming in your family is because वो वाले grandfather के साथ कुछ एक ऐसा issue हुआ कि उन्होंने कुछ गलत किया जो आपको आपको इस वक्त झेलना पड़ रहा है. So I suggest breathe, bring his energy, breathe through his body, do some charity into old age home or little children. So there is a little turmoil out there. उसको थोड़ा clear कीजिए, चीजें आपके लिए better हो जाएंगी.
Nishu Sharma, 4.
So Nishu Sharma, the energy is coming, the answer and the connection which is I'm having right now is from your mother's side. Your fourth generation backward Nani ji is trying to get in touch with me. She's saying that there is some imbalance happened in that time. Either some widow which was made to do things which were not very happy, or she was thrown out of the house or something like that. चेक कीजिए कि ये एनर्जी कहाँ से आई है, बैलेंस कीजिए, लिसन टू योर हार्ट, बिकॉज इतना इमोशनल ट्रॉमा और इतनी सारी चीजें ऐसे नहीं इकट्ठी हुई हैं. यू कैरिंग दिस एनर्जी फ्रॉम दैट नानी ऑनवर्ड्स. उस नानी को बुलाइए, माफी मांगिए एंड क्लियरेंस कीजिए.
Shruti Mahanti, Shruti ma'am is 5.
Okay, Shruti, the person who's trying to contact me is your fifth grandfather. Go backward to the 5 generation. He's trying to contact me, and that is from the energies coming from your father's side. It is related to the nature. कोई सांप मारा या कोई killing की है, which killing is coming in front of me, and he's asking you to clear that up. The moment you clear up that energy, things will start taking place in your favor. Cherish, grow more trees, grow more fruits, give fruit trees as a donation. So वहां पे clear होगा. Go back five generation backwards, please देखिए कि क्या energy कुछ गलत किया है. Either you've dug a wrong temple or something, or you've made a temple and broken that temple. Because whatever is coming in my mind is a snake.
Sakshi Arora Katyal is 4.
Sakshi Arora Katyal is 4, and I say 4 generation backwards. Please go to your mother's energy. There's an illumination. A very good time that generation had. उस generation को वापस बुलाइए and अपनी goodness को कर दीजिए, because very soon you will be blessed with whatever you desire. But you need to call that energy and ask them to bless you. And remain confident, please.
Okay. Simi Sani, 2.
Simi Seni too. Okay, any kind of depression happening, Simiji, in your house? Any kind of heavy bleeding, excessive weight gain, or something to do with blood loss? It is the energy of your 2 generation backwards Nani ji, who has gone through a lot of pain and some kind of a trauma. That poor lady has gone. Please, हो सके तो do some bread donations to receive a very rewarding time. Light heartedness कीजिए, because आपके घर में दिए ज्यादा जलाइए, and there is some connectivity which is missing out on it. Forgiveness has to be given on that level. ब्लड से रिलेटेड कॉज है, या तो किसी चाइल्ड का अब्यूज हुआ है या किसी बच्चे के साथ कुछ हुआ है. सो दैट इज व्हाई दिस a little unhappiness which I'm sensing. So in case you want to turn this into your favor, it's not as a rocket science. पीछे जाइए, माफी मांगिए, and do some red donations and release these energy into the air. You will see a marvelous time coming.
लाल कपड़ा भी डोनेट कर सकते हैं ये.
Absolutely, Shinu. They can do लाल कपड़ा.
रजत आलूवालिया 5.
Rajat, the ancestor which is giving me the visions is 3 generation backwards. The ancestor from the father's side. He says he was not treated very well, and he is very upset with the kind of relationship going on. Hold the vision clearly. You are an reincarnation of that ancestor. So you do not like to create a very negative thing. So please work on those energy of that ancestor. Bring that energy, and you will see the moment you contact that grandfather and become one with him, your work will take places. The vision which you so clearly want to do the things with will start opening up, and you will be surprised how things start falling in your place. Move forward without any fear, without anything. It is just that he is stuck. That grandfather is still holding in his head the problem.
Amrinder Chabra, number 9. Number 9 is not Amrinder ji. Number 9 is not been given as a number
so
for
take
ancestors.
The next one, please.
Ritu Tivana 3. Please choose a number from 1 to 7.
So Ritu, I go back 5 generations backward to your father's generation. You people promised to make a mandir or a temple or a gurdwara, which has not been made. That is why आपके काम कभी भी पूरे नहीं होंगे. आपको एक गुरुद्वारा या मंदिर बनाना पड़ेगा. आप अपने घर के बाहर बनाइए या कहीं बाहर जाके बनाइए. आपको prosperity लाने के लिए, आपके बच्चों की prosperity लाने के लिए करना पड़ेगा. Your 5th generation Dadaji is telling me to tell you this.
So everyone who's just joined, I would like to again repeat. You need to choose from 1 to 7. There will be a reading from your ancestors, and you will be getting a message from there. 1 to 7. Please choose a number from there. Okay. Sudeshna Banerjee 2. Number 2.
Sudeshna Banerjee, number 2, I'm talking about your mother's side of generation 6 generation backward. Your mother's side generation, they're saying that lady went through a lot of patience, a trauma and negativity. She was beaten badly. Please go back asking a forgiveness from that Nanima and see how things work in your favor. Have patience. She says, मुझे इतनी तकलीफ सहनी पड़ी तो तुझे थोड़ी सी तो सहनी पड़ेगी. So please उस एनर्जी को वहां से काटिए, निकालिए एंड आगे मूव कीजिए. प्रेजेंट मोमेंट तकलीफ वाला है, पर जब आप ये सारा काम कर लेंगे आपकी उस नानी माँ के लिए, आपको फल मिलना शुरू हो जाएगा.
स्तुति शर्मा number 5.
Stuti Sharma number 5. Stuti 3 generation backwards from your father's side. दादाजी की तरफ देखिए जाके. There is a time that you people did not say thank you. There's some kind of an ancestor, some cheating has been done. That ancestor took away your money from somebody. He never returned it back to that person. Unfortunately, वो आज भी problem आके खड़ी हो गई है. तो जो चीजें आप करना चाहते हैं वो पूरी नहीं हो पाती हैं. Please go back, telling that ancestor, माफी मांगिए, उनसे भी माफी मंगवाइए. ये पूरा का पूरा काम कीजिए and see how things work in your favor.
And also please do some दान on Thursdays.
Yes.
Please उसको थोड़ा खाना दान कीजिए poor लोगों को, ठीक है, ताकि आपके काम बनने शुरू हो. सुनीता हुडा 6.
Sunita, the energy which is trying to contact me is 2 generation backwards. Your nani, one of your nani who's trying to get in touch with me. She's saying that there has been faith issues. She had multiple issues. Her children did not treat her well. So she was almost told to stay out of one of the rooms. So that energy has been stuck in one of the rooms in the area. please go back saying sorry to that nani of yours and bring the energy. Because वो energy आज भी आपको तंग कर रही है. That is going to keep giving you a problem because वो faith issues हैं, trust issues हैं. Till the time you illuminate certain amount of rooms and illuminate a mandir, it will not come in your favor. आपको तकरीबन 45 दिन रोज जाके मंदिर में उस नानी के नाम का दिया जलाना है, तब जाके आपके काम सुधरेंगे.
Seema Pankaj Kansal 7.
7. ओके, एक जनरेशन पीछे ही जाना है. सीमा, कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन. बहुत ज्यादा जनरेशन पीछे नहीं जाना है. ये वाले नाना दादाजी नहीं, इससे पीछे वाले दादाजी कांटेक्ट कर रहे हैं और बोल रहे हैं कि कुछ तो गड़बड़ की. क्या गड़बड़ की, किसने गड़बड़ की, प्लीज पूछो घर जाके, क्योंकि ये सारी एनर्जी वहीं पे दफी हुई है. उसको निकालो और आगे बढ़ो. फॉरगिवनेस करो, फॉरगिवनेस करो, फॉरगिवनेस करो और तभी मिलेगा. अभी कुछ नहीं मिलेगा. दादाजी तो यही बोल रहे हैं.
Okay. It is Kamla Malhotra Sood, Kamya Malhotra Sood, Nitin Sood 5. It is for Nitin Sood, number 5.
So I take on this Nitin Sood, number 5. The energy which is trying to contact me is 3 generation backwards from his father's side. And the energy says कि कहीं ना कहीं किसी चीज के लिए झूठ बोला, कोई ऐसा कॉन्ट्रैक्ट साइन किया which was really not good. उस कॉन्ट्रैक्ट के साइन करने से आपके घर में कुछ एनर्जी ऐसी आई जो आज वो पैसा तंग कर रहा है. सो हो सके तो पहले उस दादाजी को कांटेक्ट करो और वो एनर्जीज को करो, दान करो और अपनी लाइफ को ठीक करो. तो विद इन अबाउट 3 months I see that there is a huge phenomenal changes are going to happen.
Yeah.
और सच सच बोलो, हर तरीके से सच बोलो. दादाजी बोल रहे हैं मैंने गलती की, बट तुम मत करो.
Deepti Arora 1.
So I will only take 5 more cards after this. You decide, Shinu.
1.
I'm tired.
Yeah,
Okay.
I know.
So 7 generation backward Dipti, and each generation approximately 30 generations, 30 years. So 30 years, 30 years में 7 generation backward जाओ. Your father's side. ऑनेस्टी से अगर डील किया होता सिचुएशन को, तो आज सिचुएशन इतनी ग्रेव ना होती. गांव के जो अनाज को मिसयूज किया या कोई चीजों को मिसयूज किया, वो मिसयूज का कारण ये है कि टुडे यू हैव एक्यूमुलेटेड अ लॉट ऑफ नेगेटिव एनर्जी इन द हाउस. प्लीज क्लियर दैट एनर्जी. Until you do that, you will not receive anything. Honesty is what he's saying. We differed. So please create that honesty.
Himalini Kapoor, number 5.
Three generation backward, your father's side. This time the Dadaji is giving me a very full reply by you have whosoever is Himani Kapoor or whatever who's coming. I say Dadaji saying blessings, blessings, blessings. I am giving you a multiple blessings because उस जनरेशन ने कुछ इतना फैंटास्टिक काम किया, कोई मंदिर वंदिर बनाया या कोई चैरिटी की जिसका आपको फल मिलने वाला है. Very soon you will be rewarded in a big way.
Amrinder Chabra, number 7.
Amrinder Chabra, number 7. Okay. So 1 generation backward, कोई बहुत दूर नहीं जाना है, 30 साल पीछे जाना है. Very joyous moment. आपके कुछ ऐसे moments हैं आपके इन दादाजी के साथ, दादाजी आई रिपीट, पापा के पापा के साथ, पापा के पापा के पापा के साथ अच्छे मोमेंट हैं जो आपको उनके अच्छे कर्म आपको कुछ दे के जाएंगे. वो मुझे जो मैसेज चैनल करने के लिए बोल रहे हैं वो ये है कि आपको हर फ्राइडे को एंड हर थर्सडे को, फ्राइडे को सफेद रंग का कपड़ा लहराना है और थर्सडे को पीले रंग का कपड़ा लहराना है. आई डोंट नो ये वो क्यों बोल रहे हैं मुझे, बट दिस इज द मैसेज आई एम गेटिंग. सो ही इज सेइंग आई एम वेरी हैप्पी, मैं बहुत दूंगा, बट ये मेरे कुछ काम हैं, उनके कुछ काम है जो आप लोग नहीं कर रहे हो, तो वो थोड़े से अपसेंट है, प्लीज वो कर लीजिए. आई एम श्योर आपको बहुत सारी खुशियां मिलने वाली हैं. वो कह रहे हैं कि वो दे रहे हैं.
Okay, now there is another one. Nishu Sharma, Ananya 1. Okay, now I'm not going to let you read for anybody else. You can read for them only. Mansi Khattar, number 5.
Mansi Khattar, number 5, 3 generation backwards from your father's side. The ancestor which is trying to reach out to me is saying कि क्या वो कभी dispensary खोलना चाहते थे? Was he wanted to open up a dispensary, or did he had any homeopathic dispensary or something? If so, आप लोगों ने अगर नहीं खुलवाई है तो खोल दीजिए, कुछ दवाइयां दान कर दीजिए. वो वाली ये जनरेशन जो है वो अटकी हुई है. एक बार अगर आप दवाई दान करेंगे और मेडिसिन दान करेंगे, आप देखेंगे how phenomenally the transfer will happen in your life.
Okay, Mini Chaudhary and number 2. Okay, now I'm just going to take after this just one more, and that's
Okay.
it then. Yeah, and the rest of them can be answered later. We'll answer it on the,
If we get channel.
yeah, if we get a chance. Yeah.
If we get channels, we'll answer
Yeah.
it.
Yeah.
So, Mini Chaudhary, you said number 2, the generation which is coming to me is 6th generation backward from your mother's side, नानी की side पे. आपकी नानी की साइड पे डाउरी इतनी जबरदस्त ली गई कि that there was a huge amount of pain and ache, and एक abortion हुआ, which was really bad. The girl child was made to die. सो उसकी एक प्रॉब्लम है कि आप जब भी एक्सपेक्ट करते हैं आपके साथ कुछ होना अच्छा होने लगता है, नहीं होता है. उसका रीजन ये है कि that one child which died is giving you a multiple problems. So please go back 6th generation, say sorry to them, bring in a good energy. हो सके तो अनाथ आश्रम में या किसी न्यूली बॉर्न बेबी के लिए बहुत सारे कपड़े दान कीजिए, रेगुलरली 6 महीने तक कीजिए, एंड रिमूव दी.
Okay, Shilpa Kansal 3, and I think then we'll be done with it.
Okay, so I have 3S Shilpa Kansal, 5 generation backwards. Your grandfather, that is your Dadaji's side of 3rd generation backward father, is trying to contact me. He is giving me a message for you that 3 generation back कुछ ऐसा हुआ जो सारी abundance रुक गई. Somebody कोई आपस में दादा भाइयों के बीच में हुआ and they took the money away. So this Dadaji was cheated very badly. He carried that hurt on his whole shoulder. So he's trying to say पहले वो सारी generation का जो 3 generation back है उस पे जाइए, उसे निकालिए, forgiveness कीजिए. जब आप ये 3 महीने का कोर्स कर लेंगे, उसके बाद you will see either you remove it your way or whatever way, ये आपकी अपनी choice है, then you will see the abundance will start happening. This year the abundance is going to only happen जब आप ये सारे पितृदोष clear कर लेंगे.
And Shilpa, you need to feed the ants. Very important.
Absolutely.
Very, very important. Please feed the ants. Okay, last and okay, Kaveri Marva 1. And I think then we'll be done.
Kaveri 7 generation backwards. Your Dadaji. It's coming from your father's side. The message is coming from your father's side. Some kind of a hard work which was done and some kind of a thing which was taken away from his thing. A lot of hard work went wasted because of a family dispute, because somebody got murdered very badly. So you got to take it off that system and you got to work on that Dadaji. You got to take it off from there and recite the mantras and the chants every day. Do some more meditation, bring in a lot of energy. People के पेड़ के नीचे पूजा कीजिए तो आपको फल मिलेंगे. 7 generation backwards, please go. Your Dadaji is still stuck. He's not gone outside. Some kind of, please check कीजिए any murder history or anything like that if you can. If you generate that energy with your that grandfather, you will be able to take it. A lot of resilience, a lot of things are coming on your way. A good positive time, only if you clear up that energy.
People के पेड़ के नीचे they can also light a diya.
Yes, please. If you can do the people के पेड़ के नीचे diya, things will become good for you.
I think we should now wrap it up.
Yes, please. It's a long day for me. Tomorrow we come back again, people. Tomorrow 9:30 we're going to be here, and tomorrow there'll be no reading, no channeling. Please do not embarrass us by asking anything. She's going to be only talking about gunas and she'll be talking about it and moving out. We did the reading because we wanted to give you some giveaways. So that's
and
why.
also please be ready with your pen and paper because there's going to be a lot of insight, lot of knowledge. She's an ocean of knowledge. Please be ready with a lot of knowledge to be taken, and it's going to be a really, really interesting session with ma'am. Of course, we all are waiting and very, very excited for her. So come.
Thank you so much for being with us. Thank you
Thank
so
you,
much.
everyone.
We look forward to many such sessions. Please do leave a comment whether did you like our coming together here on the podium you enjoyed, or do you want us to come alone. We will not be taking any more weekend sessions the way we do it now. We would only be taking twice a month. Is that so, Chinu? That's what we
Yes,
decided.
yes.
The forum has decided that the healers would only come twice a month, or if we have the guest lecture, then the guest lectures will have. But if you want us to do something unique, and if you want us to do something different, please come up with a suggestion. Write it on the page itself. We'll be very happy to able to serve you. Thank you so much.
Yes.
Do leave a
And
comment
also,
that
please,
you
yeah.
enjoyed or not.
Yeah, and also please, if you have any suggestions for anything that we need to serve you as, any topic that we can talk about it for you all, and you need some clarity, we would be glad to do that for you too.
Thank you so much. God
Thank you,
bless you.
everyone.
Buddha
God bless you. Bye
bless.
bye.